Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen, man. Well, here's what you're gonna kind of need here for what we're doing. Grab yourself some hamburger, about a half pound or so here. Get yourself some potatoes, some cheese, some cheddar cheese will come in handy. Some mushrooms, some green onions. Get yourself some corn. You'll definitely be needing an onion, a little bit of garlic, and some carrots, and yeah. And grab yourself a beer. We might need that, and maybe a little bit of water, and yeah, man. Oh, another thing here, yeah. Hey, you'll need a little bit of bacon too. About four pieces of bacon here. And grab yourself some shepherd's pies mix, because we're doing shepherd's pie with twist. So just get your bacon and come up into a little small kind of chunks. You know what you're going to want to do when your bacon is going about halfway to the time that you're going to start draining it, then throw in your hamburger, because we're going to have to drain that too. So throw your hamburger in there. And just brown your meat. Okay, so you're going to want to have that on medium heat. Kind of maybe even go with a 3/4 or a third heat. You don't want it super scorching or nothing, right? Just get that nice and brown. So cut up some onions and mushrooms, because we're going to need them in there. Okay guys, I'm going to toss you a tip, man. Grab yourself a strainer like this, because you're going to need it. Okay, and what I do is I use a coffee tin, man. I'll show you what you do with that. Put it in your sink. You know, so you don't want to pour the grease down the drain or anything like that. Boom, there's your little catcher, right? And another thing that I do here also, because nobody wants to eat grease, is I get yourself a paper towel and just kind of give it a little wipey wipe. And just toss your onions and your mushrooms in there. And then go back up to medium and just mix in your onions and mushrooms here. And you're going to want about 2 cups of vegetables here. Frozen vegetables would be fine. What I'm actually going with is probably about a cup of corn and some carrots. I'm just cutting up. Now what I like doing here before I throw my carrots and any frozen vegetables I throw in there here is kind of let this mix up here for, probably about 5-10 minutes or so. Okay, I'll show you kind of what I was talking about. You see, they're kind of like about like that, you know, not brown, kind of a little caramelized, kind of what you're going after there. So like I was saying, I've been stirring this around, and it's probably been about 7-8 minutes, but we're pretty much ready to the point where we're going to throw those veggies in here. And those fresh carrots that I was cutting up, toss them in there. Okay, right on. And then get your carrots in there like I did, and then just give that a little stir up. And what I like to do here now to flavor it for a little bit, get those carrots kind of nice and cooked up, is probably let it go for about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, and then yeah, we get on to the seasoning, man. Okay, well, we got that going on here. Grab yourself your potatoes, right? So you're gonna do some mashed potatoes already, wash them. So just give them a little rinsey rinse. And then use a potato peeler or just cut the skin off. That's what I do, man. Who needs a potato peeler? Okay, so that's been probably about 4 or 5 minutes almost here. So we are almost getting to the seasoning, guys. Okay, right on. So grab yourself your seasoning. Just your regular good old shepherd's pie seasoning is good. Oh yeah. Okay, right on. Oh, what are we forgetting? We're getting a beer. Okay, just kind of mix this up a little bit here. And what we're doing here, we're just gonna toss a beer in there, man. Oh yeah, bacon and beer. Throw in about, oh geez, not all, about a half a cup. Oh yeah. And then just mix that up, bacon and beer. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. Toss that in there. Oh, well, turn it a little bit more. We'll give it some loving. Throwing a good beer on there. And then we're just gonna get back to our stirring. Stir it up. Let it go for, oh geez, probably about 5-10 minutes. I want to turn it back to kind of a little bit lower than medium here. We can turn it back kind of halfway in between low and medium. Okay, right on. And then, yeah, get that water boiling there for your mashed potatoes. You're gonna need some mashed potatoes there, guys. All right, and yeah, turn them on about high. Give them a little pokey poke until you get them nice and soft. Grab yourself a casserole dish, Pyrex, oven safe. Okay, and then just take all that meat sauce and vegetables and all that stuff that was been going on and transfer it over. And preheat your oven to 400. Okay, and then what you're gonna want to do is grab yourself a masher, some butter. First thing, we're gonna throw butter in there. Oh geez, oh, good chunk, maybe a couple tablespoons. Okay, Parmesan cheese. Toss some of that in there. Ooh yeah. Probably maybe 1/4 cup. Maybe not quite that much. Okay. Okay. And what we are going with here is we're going to throw in some French onion dip. Why not? Give it a go. See, I've done this before. It's really good. All right. Then what you're going to want to do is take those mashed potatoes and put them on top of that meat. Okay. Now grab yourself a grater, right? That cheese we were talking about. And just grate up some cheese. You don't need to get carried away on this here. Just get a little chunk of cheese. Nothing too big. Oh yeah. Woo, cheese. Dog loves cheese. Oh yeah. Okay, right on. Then take that cheddar cheese and just toss it over the top. Oh yeah. And another thing, which I'm doing, is throw on a little bit of green onions. Oh yeah. Okay, you're gonna let that go 400 for 25 minutes here. You'll see, I'll get nice and golden brown. Oh yeah, well there you have it. Bacon, beer, shepherd's pie, eh? It is gonna be delish. Okay, you probably don't want to eat it just right now, because as you can see, it's pretty hot. So probably give it about, oh geez, oh probably 20 minutes, half an hour, and then to dig in. Well, there you have it, people. Shepherd's pie with bacon, beer, vegetables. Oh yeah, even some cheese. Oh yeah, check it out. Ooh, 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 ooh. See what the verdict says? Right on, while cooking every Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sunday. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, hey, I'm just kidding. But twice a week, anyhow. Probably Thursdays and Sundays, man. Right on. Well, you guys be cool.